Do you ever see a Google ad and think, who wrote this? Either it's stuffed with buzzwords or it's so generic you forget it instantly. And yet, Google gives you only a few characters to convince someone to click. It's like trying to sell a product with a tweet. But here's the truth. Writing great ad copy is not about being clever. It's about understanding how the system works, what your customer actually sees, and how Google prioritizes your ads based on that. Today, we're going deep into how to write Google Ads copy that performs. We're not just talking theory. We'll cover ad structure, intent matching, testing strategy, and what to say and not say if you want to win clicks without blowing your budget. This is part of the Smarter Google Ads series in 2025, so let's dive in. Step 1, prioritize relevance over cleverness. When someone searches on Google, they're not looking to be impressed. They're looking for a solution. That means the best copy gets to the point. Instead of trying to be catchy, start with this framework. Headline 1, outcome or promise. Headline 2, feature or trust signal. Headline 3, call to action or urgency trigger. So an example for a local landscaping business would be Headline 1, lawn care in Austin. Headline 2, rated number 1, 24-hour booking. And headline number 3, schedule for a free quote. Here's why it works. The first headline matches the exact search intent. The second adds credibility and removes hesitation. And the third tells them what to do next. Relevance here boosts your quality score, which directly reduces CPC and increases impression share. Now, before we even talk about copywriting strategy, here's our baseline workflow. We draft all ad copy in a shared Google Doc under the client's folder. This keeps everything organized, reviewable, and version controlled. We run every line, the headlines, descriptions, the callouts, through Claude to check for clarity, spelling, and tone. It's fast, accurate, and helps us catch the kind of subtle phrasing mistakes that lose clicks. Step 2, use the ad copy plus landing page plus keyword triangle. Your ad isn't isolated. Google evaluates how well your ad, your keywords, and your landing page align. This affects your ad rank and how much you pay. Here's the technical way to think about it. If your keyword is book eco-friendly moving service, your ad better have a matching phrase, even loosely in headline 1 or 2, a call to action that aligns with the landing page, for example, like get a free estimate, and a landing page with similar phrases in the hero text and H1. A simple way to think about this, mismatch equals low quality score, which leads to higher CPC and fewer impressions. For matches, it means higher CTR, lower cost, and better conversions. Step 3, write for intent, not just the algorithm. People searching buy compression socks are different from those searching are compression socks good for running. Your copy must reflect the searcher's intent type. Transactional, an example of this is buy now or in stock or free shipping. There's also commercial investigation, so that'd be things like compare top brands, see how we rank, and navigational, so for example, official site or shop direct. If you write the same copy for all, you're wasting spend. Google can match variants, but if your copy doesn't match intent, you're losing the click. Step 4, structure copy testing like a developer. Treat ad copy testing like you treat code development. Change one element at a time. Track performance per asset, and rotate in new lines only if you've hit data thresholds, at least 5,000 impressions or 50 plus clicks per asset. A common mistake would be rewriting the whole ad, then not knowing what worked, instead of structure ads like this. Keep one control line that's always present, test one new variant per ad set, and label test rounds in your naming convention. This lets you isolate winning variables and scale better performers. Step 5, focus on one message per ad group. Every ad group should have one clear theme. If your keywords are about next day delivery, all 3 headlines should support that benefit. Why? Because Google's system pulls headlines and descriptions from your responsive search ad at random. If you mix unrelated ideas, like fast shipping, lowest price, custom engraving, you get Frankenstein ads that confuse the user and kill CTR. Stick to one benefit cluster per group. That keeps the message tight, the ad variations consistent, and your CTR high. And one more thing, when we need graphics for a campaign, we collect the core angle or headline that should guide the creative. We list how many creatives we need and where they'll run. And if we've used Claude to generate any ideas or run research, we include that link or transcript for the graphic designer. This way, copy and visuals feel like one message, not 2 disconnected pieces. Step 6, rotate creatives based on data, not time. Don't change ads every week, just to keep things fresh. Base creative refreshes on, decline in CTR over 2 weeks, drop in impression share despite stable bids, and decrease in conversion rate with same targeting. Your ad history, click-through rate over time, is a signal to Google. If you reset it too often, you lose valuable optimization data. So instead of random swaps, use structured testing windows, 2 weeks minimum unless performance tanks. This is performance marketing, not a vibe check. So that's how we write Google ads that actually convert, based on how Google scores your ads, how people read them, and how to test without wasting time or budget. Remember, this isn't about sounding clever. It's about showing up for the right searches, saying the right thing, and proving why you're worth the click. all within a few hundred characters. This was another episode of the Smarter Google Ads series. If this helped you level up your copy, keep an eye out for the next video. No fluff, just strategy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next one.